Hello, my name is Valerie, and I am a Customer Care Senior Manager at iSpring. Let me also introduce our Technical Support Engineer, Olga. She's going to talk about our tool today. And during the next 30 minutes, we will be glad to show you all the new features of iSpring Suite 8. Then we will be glad to answer your questions. If you have any questions during our webinar, please send them via chat. Uh, all right, let's get started. Olga?
Hello everyone, welcome to our demo webinar. I'll be glad to show you around new features of iSpring Suite 8. We will cover today a new TalkMaster tool, screen recording, video lecture player, and compatibility of iSpring with mobile devices and how you can create presentations so that they are played correctly on all smartphones and tablet computers. And of course, if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to leave them in our chat and we will cover them just after I will show you around all the new features. Okay, so of course, we'll appreciate if you could leave us some feedback on how you would like to use iSpring, what tasks you would like to achieve with this tool, what options of iSpring Suite do you like most, and what do you think would be beneficial for our tool in the future? Well, sure, we look forward to hearing back from you. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so perhaps you have already tried to use the evaluation version of iSprint Suite and you had a chance to test drive some of the new features like simulations, screen recording, video lectures. So let me show you how you can use them and how you can enhance your training and create course for e-learning using these new features that we have. Okay, so let's start. Let's get started with using the new video lecture player and how you can use this to create a video lecture. So this is our new player, which was introduced in version 8.1, also known as 50 by 50 player, because here you see your video narration and your slide next to each other. And also you can drag video narration and slide area and adjust its size. So let us add some video narration to our sample presentation and show you how this new video lecture player looks like, how it works. Let's show it in action so you can see how convenient it is and how you can use it. So if you already used iSpring before, you know how to add video narration, and it's really easy. You just need to go to click on where it says video, search for your video file, pre-recorded video file, or you can record your video right inside PowerPoint and click on where it says open. Then you can insert clip at the beginning of the current slide or at current cursor position and click insert. So you see that your video clip is located under the slides here. You can preview it or you can preview it with animations. And also with the new version of iSpring, you can edit your clips. Let me show you. You just need to select the clip, then click edit clip. And here you can, what you can do. Let's say you'd like to trim it, remove noise, adjust volume, add fade in and fade out effects, or add silence. So let's say I'd like to trim my part of my audio, of my video here. That's it. So I do not need the whole video, so I just need this small part. Let's click Save and Close. Okay, and then let's save it here. So now we have our video narration ready. And then go to Publishing and select our new video lecture player. Okay, so let's select web output here In the player top-down list, go to video lecture. You will see here that this is where our video narration will play, and this is our slide area. In this version 8.0, this player is not customizable, but we'll certainly make it customizable in the newer version, in version 8.1, which is going to be released next month. So you will be able to customize and enhance this player as well as you do now with our universal player. So let's select our local folder output and click Publish. iSpring will start processing our project, and once it finishes, you can see what it looks like and how our video lecture will play. And here you can see that you can adjust slide, make slide bigger, or make it even. So you see that you can really enhance your video lecture. And also you can preview it. So this is what our video lecture player is. And of course, if you prefer a regular universal player, you can surely publish it as you do in version 7 and 8. Make sure that presenter video is selected here in the template, here on the sidebar, presenter video, and also you can publish your presentation with universal player and switch slide area and video. Video. Okay, let's convert it using the regular universal player. Of course, if you have some feedback or any suggestions on how we can improve our new video lecture player, you're always welcome to leave us your feedback, and we'll certainly consider it for new versions. So we do our best to improve our product, to make it more usable to you, to make your course creation more convenient. So you're more than welcome to share your opinion with us. So this is how you can create video lectures using iSpring, new iSpring video lecture player and our universal player. Of course, and now let's have a look at our simulation tool at our TalkMaster software, which was also introduced in the version 8.0. With this tool, you can reproduce or you can simulate any real-life situations. Like especially this can be used for corporate training, for companies where employees need to communicate with customers a lot. So this tool is really great to train your employees to handle some kind of difficult situations, how to handle irate customers, or how to provide information on your product in a better way and make more successful deals. So this tool is quite similar to iSpring Quizmaker because it allows you to add questions and replies, and also it has branching scenarios, and also you can award points and score to your scenes. So in order to add a new simulation, you can, of course, you should add a new blank slide here and click on where it says simulation. And also you can create it as a standalone object from the quick start menu of iSpring Suite. Just click iSpring Suite 8 icon and go to simulation. And here you can create a new simulation. When you launch the program, you see a field where you can start by creating a new scene. So let's here. We have a scene here. You can add a character, and you can add some background. In this version as well, 8.0, we have pre-built, pre-installed characters available. And for every character, we have 5 emotions from happy to unhappy, so you can really simulate almost any kind of situation that you may encounter at work or during like any almost any situation. This also can be used for educational purposes as well. You can create any kind of games. So, you know, gamification is really taking over the last years. So you can pick up any character. Let's pick up one here. Select emotion. Then you can pick up a background where your situation takes place, maybe car dealership center or a shop or a pharmacy or music store or pub, so it can be almost anywhere. Let's pick up it. University campus. Okay, so when you picked up a character in the background, you can enter character speech and add replies. Also, you can add a message as kind of introductory information. So you can add one or several replies, and based on these replies, you can redirect your students or your users to another scene and make this situation develop in 2 different ways. So if you pick this one, your character may be happy if you reply this, or if you pick second variant, he may be puzzled or unhappy or even angry. So this way, you see, you can easily recreate any possible situation, and based on answers on students' choice, you can train him how to behave in this or that situation. So this tool has quite a lot of potential, and you can create really long branching scenarios, or you can also make them graded and upload them, publish them to SCORM format and upload them to an LMS, and then you can track user progress as well as you do with graded quizzes in our iSpring Quiz Maker. So here we can set passing score and display score on result slide. And also you can publish your simulation to a website or create a package for LMS. Yes, you do. So let me show you some sample simulation developed by our designers. Simulation at a car dealership center. Also, we have the simulation available for you to test on our website. If you would like to see what converted, what ready simulation may look like, here you can go to our demos for iSpring Suite, and here you can launch a car sale dialog or a bank dialog. So these are 2 samples of what you can do with iSpring TalkMaster, and how you can reproduce any real-life situation. So let me then show you. So this is what a ready dialog may look like. You see it's a really large web of scenes and answers. Let me browse to the top. So here it starts with here, and you have a main scene. Here we have different branches, and based on user response, they may be redirected to a certain scene to a new scene, and then if the answers are correct, they can be combined to one new scene. And then if you're doing good, you can reach the destination and be awarded with some certain score here. Okay, if you succeed, you arrive to the end. So let me convert this course here, or we may also launch the course from our website and show you what converted simulation looks like. So let me pick up this one slide, pick up non-player, and we try to test out our simulation. So here we have Here you are a salesperson who needs to give a proper service to a new customer who comes into your shop. So here when the customer enters the shop, here's our customer, we have to pick up one of the answers here which we think is correct in this situation. And if we're doing right, so here we have our feedback, and let's pick up answer. Here we see if we're doing right or not. Okay, so here I did wrong, so I did not succeed to make communication with this customer. So if you allow users, they can restart and try again. So it's really a nice tool to train your employees on how to answer, what to answer in a certain situation, how to behave, and how to increase sales and how to increase your service in your company. Okay, so this is how you can use our new simulation tool. Also, you can view it on tablet, computers, or on smartphones. And the content automatically adjusts to the size of the device, so it's totally mobile friendly, and you can enjoy playing around with this tool on all devices. So here how you can use this simulation, dialogue simulation tool to enhance your course uh, and use it for your e-learning, corporate training, knowledge tests, or gamification. And sure, if you have any questions on this tool or on other features, or if you have any feedback on what you'd like to see in this tool, like what features you'd like to add, sure, you can leave your comments in our chat or ask us questions. And also, one of the most popular questions so far regarding this simulation tool is if we are going to add custom characters and custom backgrounds. So right here in this very first version, version 8.0, you can pick from existing characters only and existing pre-built backgrounds. And I can tell you for sure that this option will be available in the next version, in version 8.1. And then you'll be able to import your own character or maybe your own picture and reproduce any situation at your office or at your company, and also import your custom background. So you can really create content according to your corporate standards and imply your corporate images. Okay, this is for our new simulation tool. So let's now have a look at the new screen recording tool, which was also introduced in this new version 8.0. This is a basic frame recorder, which allows you to capture your screen or part of your screen or any application on your desktop. You can also record sound. You can capture system sounds. You can capture any application and also record your microphone. Also, you can highlight your cursor and save the whole recording to MP4 format. You can edit it with our new audio and video editor and then upload it directly to your YouTube channel, or you can embed the recording into your presentation and then convert it as a whole project along with quizzes, interactions, and simulations. So let's launch our screen recording and let me show you how you can use it. Once you try it a few times, you see that it's really easy. So when our new tool is launched, you see that you see a frame and you can easily adjust the size of the frame here by dragging it, or you can also type the size of the frame here. So let's say you would like to make a tutorial on how to use iSpring. Here you can unmute your microphone or record your microphone as well as you are speaking. Also here you can access screen recording properties. You can customize shortcuts for pause, resume, to stop recording, discard it. Also you can pick up your microphone and record system sounds. And also we have some advanced options. So here we can highlight mouse cursor and enable mouse click sounds. Okay, so when you're ready to get started, you just start recording and let's go. Here you can explain something. Here you can highlight something in your area. Just do your recording explaining something on how to use this application. You can press the hotkey that you selected or simply done. iSpring has processed your video and you can preview it right after the recording. Just click play and here you see our highlighted mouse. You can hear the clicks of the mouse. And so if you do not like what you recorded, you can simply start new recording or close this window. Or you can also edit the clip right now in our new audio video editor. Also according what you would like to do. And then you can save it and return to course or upload to YouTube. Or you can save it as video. Let's say it's my output and I want it to be saved as my output 1. And iSpring will export your recording. You can also view in a regular media player. And also you see that the quality of recording is quite high, so it's really nice capture quality. So this is how you can use your screen recording. Also, you can then export this recording into your Manage Narration tool and make it a video narration as well, the way you would like. And also you can then, let's try to upload it to our lecture. And applying video lecture player, you can show the presentation and then you can also show how to use some tool. Let's see, we can upload it here, save and close, and publish it to video lecture format. Okay, here you will see it plays right here. And let's convert it once again. So here is my explainer video and here is my slide. So here you can show, for example, some slide with some information, and right next to it you can explain how to use the program and how to use the tool, how to fill out the document, or wherever you would prefer, depending on what kind of content you would like to create. So you see this tool allows you to create explainer video really easy and fast. Of course, if you would like to fine-tune the recorded video, you can export it to any professional editing tool like Camtasia or anything else, and you can edit it there and then import it again into your project. Of course, it will be absolutely compatible since it's MP4 format, which you can import into your presentation. So also, and one more thing I'd like to show you here, and again, you can create screencasts outside PowerPoint as you do with simulations and of course quizzes and interactions. So here you can record anything on your desktop, in a browser, anywhere. You can adjust it and start recording and then save recording again to an MP4 format or upload it to YouTube. So now we have covered these new tools. Let us then focus on on compatibility with mobile devices. Of course, as you already know, iSpring is totally compatible with mobile devices. We provide, without any extra customization, you can upload your courses to any website, to an LMS, and it will be accessible on your iPads or on tablet computers or on your Android devices. You just need to make sure that your content is published to either HTML5 mobile format or to combined mode. In our version 8.0, when you publish to combined mode, HTML5 version is launched by default. Perhaps if you used version 7. Back then, if you published to combined mode, the default version to be launched was Flash format. So if you viewed presentation in combined mode on a desktop, you would see a Flash version. And right now, since HTML5 technology is taking over, it's everywhere, and Flash is much less popular these days, we make sure that you can access content really easily, and it's loading much faster in HTML5 format. So here, if you publish to combined mode, we launch HTML5 version by default. And if you're viewing your presentation on a browser which does not support HTML5, like older versions of Internet Explorer browser, of course, Flash version will be launched, and still your content will be accessible. So let me show you one more time how to preview your course on mobile devices. Let's convert this sample slide here and show you how to preview your presentation on tablet, computer, and on mobile device. So here we are in desktop preview mode. You can change device here, pick up tablet. So here, if you're viewing presentation on tablet, you still have all your outline and notes available for you. Of course, if you have any video narration or videos, they will be launched on click, because mobile devices do not allow you to launch videos automatically on mobile devices due to security restrictions. And here is our smartphone mode. See that our content scales and automatically adjusts to the size of the device. So still you can access all the content. It's really convenient. So if you have any video lectures and you upload them to a website, your students and your users will be able to view it and anywhere on any device without any limitations. And also we have our free mobile app, iSpring Viewer, which works best if you upload or embed your content into a website or blog. So any website where no authentic login is needed, so where content can be freely accessed by public. If you select this option before you publish, your users will be able to install our free iSpring Viewer app, which allows them to save the content to their device and view it offline. So let's say if you have some promotional materials or marketing materials you would like to share with anyone, or any lecture that you would like to users to be able to watch offline, you can use this option. And then your users, when they launch the content, they will be prompted to either download the application if it is not installed on their devices yet, or if they already have iSpring Viewer installed, they can launch it directly in this application and save it for offline viewing. So this works best for public content. Of course, if you're using any site where login is needed, if you're using any LMS, these may not work. So, and of course, if you're using iSpring Learn, you can use our special iSpring Learn app, which also allows your users to save courses for offline viewing, watch them with no internet connection, and then synchronize it with our server. So this way your users will be able to take training anytime and anywhere. Okay, so this is what I was going to show you today on iSpring Suite 8 on our new features. So sure, if you have any questions prepared or any suggestions or feedback, we're happy to hear back from
Uh,
you.
Okay, Olga, I have several questions in chat. Um, I tried to answer some of them, but we also have several unanswered. So first of all, the first question is, can we reopen video editor again after finishing screen recording process? Do you likely to know?
Okay, so to make sure that I got you right, so let's say you have recorded some. Let's try to explain along as we're speaking to make sure they got you right. So let's say you have recorded some videos and you click done or finish, let's say here, and so, you'd like to edit the same or continue the same recording. So when you're done, like if you would like to continue from where you had left off, you see that this is not possible. You can either start new recording, and this, if you do not save this, will be deleted. So sure, you can save this existing video or edit it and then start new recording.
So yes, and we can reopen this video which we saved, and then we can edit it,
Sure,
right?
sure. You can either edit it right inside our media editor, or we can, let's say, do it one more time to make sure that all of our attendees see what's going on. So here is our raw project in our special iSprint format. Here we can either edit it in
Mhm.
iSprint editor here, remove noise, adjust volume, etc. Or if you're using any professional tool to edit your recording, you can save it as video to
Uh,
MP4 format and then use it and fine tune it in any other device as well, either mm, sorry, other software, or you can upload this, like if you're satisfied with the quality and you would like to share it right away, you can upload it to your YouTube channel. Just sign in to your channel and upload. Or
uh,
also you can save project.
okay, yes, I think that we answered this question from Alex. Alex, if you have any additional questions, please go ahead. We also have a question from Santosh. I'm sorry if I pronounced it incorrectly. How to restrict the tablet viewer to see the content only in horizontal mode and should not change with the rotation of mobile. Do
Okay.
you know?
Okay, so let's say if you would like to convert your presentation and then restrict it, well, I think we can consider it as a feature request for future versions, since right now we can't restrict users from launching content on like mobile device or in certain position only. Here we have the following protection settings. Here you can set, let's say, domain restrictions, or you can set the size of the window. But as for restricting whether it can be viewed either in horizontal mode or vertical, sorry, but this option is not available right here. But I'll surely put your feature request and pass it to our product development team. I'm sure we'll consider it. And sure, well, thank you so much for feedback.
Okay. Olga, can we actually unmute our attendees so they will be able to ask their questions? Do
Okay,
you
let
think
me
that's
see.
possible?
So let me see if, okay, just 1 second. Almost done. Okay, almost ready.
Uh,
Okay, okay, sure. I have unmuted everybody, so you guys are welcome to ask us any questions if you have or write us in chat.
Oh, you can just mute yourself if you don't like to ask any questions. Um, okay, then I think that if you don't have any questions, we can just, yes, we can mute everybody. Okay, so if you have any questions, please send them in chat, and we will be glad to answer them. Um, so now, uh, uh, I would like to also mention that if you would like to take iSpring Suite 8 for a test drive, we invite you to download a 30-day trial from our website. I'm going to send you a link where you can download the tool. Just one second. I think that Olga can also open. Yes, thank you, Olga. Okay, so here you can download the product, and I would also like to mention that you are always welcome to contact our support and sales team during your evaluation period. If you have any questions, just contact us via chat or send us your email or call us. And please don't hesitate to get in touch if you decide to attend an individual webinar later. Um, oh, I think that we have one more question from Donna. Uh, she asked, when using the Georgia Bold italic font and publishing to HTML5, the font doesn't translate well. Any suggestion how to display font correctly?
Okay, thank you. Thank you for a question, Donna. First of all, I would recommend that if you encounter any issues like this, font rendering improperly or any like output quality that does not satisfy you, so to provide you with a better assistance, we would recommend that you send like a sample of the output or at least a screenshot to our support team so we can see exactly what happens to your output presentation, or a sample slide that you have, so that our support engineers can look into the issue, because like usually fonts may not render properly in some browsers. These like Chrome browser may render fonts incorrectly or in a certain way, like Firefox may render it different way. So like our like most common advice that we offer, like if you have some custom fonts that do not render properly, you may either try to replace them with some other fonts, but of course, if you like have to use this web font, you can apply a 3D effect to this text so that it is converted to an image, and it will not be it will not be processed by browsers, so it just will be displayed as it is in your original PowerPoint presentation. Well, I think that maybe this advice does not like sound like uh, like if you're not familiar with font rendering, maybe you will need some like visual sample of what you can do or any detailed instructions. So I would recommend that you send a message to this email address, support@iSpringSolutions.com, or give us a call at this toll-free number, and our engineer will provide you with a step-by-step instruction on what you can do and what can cause this issue. And of course, we would appreciate like any sample from you. This will certainly speed up the case, and we will be better to provide you with some ground-based solution. But like most probably, maybe browsers render your fonts in a certain way. But of course, I may be wrong, so that's why I'm asking you for some samples so we can look into it.
Thank you, Olga. And we have another question. SWF file imported to PowerPoint after exporting to HTML5, it's not playing in Android tablets. How to fix this problem?
Thank you for the question. So, yes, this question is being asked quite a lot. So the thing is that we cannot convert SWF to HTML5. Even you import this SWF into your PowerPoint, it still is an SWF after conversion. So if you'd like it to be displayed on Android devices, you can convert it to like MP4 movie before you embed it into your PowerPoint if you want this to be displayed on mobile devices. So iSpring unfortunately cannot convert your source SWF file to mobile-friendly format. So this is how our conversion is being developed.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I totally agree. Okay, and also we have a question from Alex. When will you provide online tutorial for version 8? I believe we have one. Olga, can you show us some tutorials for version
Uh,
8?
Sure. We have some like really short overview of iSpring Suite 8. I believe we will, I'm not sure if it's uploaded to our website. Of course, we have, let me go to our support tab here. So here we have some video tutorials on version 8, and right now we are recording a lot more um, video tutorials on getting started and using iSpring Suite 8. So just stay tuned. So this is our getting started video. Just let me edit. Here is our getting started and some more video tutorials on our support section on our website. Simply go to support and select video tutorials. And of course, we have an extensive knowledge base here, articles which will help you to really create fancy content and FAQ for your information. So here is what we have right now. And of course, we will be developing more and more tutorials for you.
Mm-hmm. We also have a question, how to customize the video player titles and alignment.
I'm sorry if I got you right. So you mean the new video lecture player, the customization of this player? Right.
I think so. Santosh, please explain better.
Well, I think that you're talking about this player, like at this
Oh,
version.
I'm sorry,
Uh-huh.
Olga.
Go ahead.
Santosh just replied, universal player.
Universal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here this player is fully customizable. If you'd like to customize it, click here. So I'm sorry, I didn't catch what exactly you'd like to change here, like the video or
Um,
layout. Could you please repeat?
titles
Titles,
and alignment.
alignment. So in the outline, it's aligned to the left by default. I'm sorry, this is not customizable. So if you add some text titles, they always aligned to the left. So if you have any right to left language, if you're using any right to left language, this might be a problem. As for text labels, you can go to text labels and rename them here, or you can translate them to any language. And then you can save it as a custom preset for later use. Also, what you can do here, you can customize the layout, enable or disable top bar, bottom bar, and sidebar, and make your own corporate presentation player. And as for these, like also a lot of our customers ask if they can change position of this previous next, and this unfortunately cannot be done. So you can customize the layout here, outline, color scheme, and text labels. So if you would like to create like your own player from scratch, we have a special tool for that. If you're interested, we can provide you with more information on this product where you can program, control presentation playback, create your own player. But this tool is mostly used by professional developers and designers who have some programming background. But as for customization, you can hide outline or notes or display them here. Unfortunately, you cannot change alignment, but you can translate messages, change color scheme, change layout, top bar, bottom bar outline, and of course, pick up one of the built-in templates here. I hope I answered your question. please let us know if you got it right or if you have anything that we can focus on more here.
Yes, Santos just replied that we answered, I believe we
Okay.
answered his question.
Okay, great.
And Alex also asked whether we can import WMV or MP4 movie into iSpring Suite's Narration Manager. I think yes.
Yes, we have a lot of, so let me launch on Narration Edit. We have a lot of supported video formats here. So let me just launch you again here. Of course, MP4 is supported by default. If we add, click video here, here is the list of supported video items. Here is AVI, and WMV, MPG, MP4, and MKV. So these are supported by default. And also you can select all files and test if you have any custom like a video file in some other format. This way may work as well, but by default we recommend that we can guarantee best compatibility with these video formats here, which you can see in the drop-down list. And also let me show you, since we're here, same for audio files. Here are the supported audio file formats. Of course, we can import MP3. Okay.
Uh, okay, so and also from Maria, so we are going to add customizing options for video player only for version 8.1, right?
Right, that's correct.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, because we have been
Mhm.
working a lot of these new tools, like we have been developing every like simulation tool, screen recording, and video lecture player for release last month. So not all the features are fully customizable yet, but we're certainly working on improving our products every day, and we have a long list of improvements and new
Mhm.
options for upcoming versions. So I believe it's going to happen in a month or even less.
Mhm.
So stay tuned for the new version. Of course, if you have
Mm.
version 8, you will receive update without any extra cost.
Yes, that's the key point that just just purchase version 8.0 and you will receive version 8.1 for free.
Yeah, sure. And also you actually receive all upgrades, minor and major, during 1 year when you purchase iSpring.
Uh, and we have one more
Okay,
question.
go ahead.
Let me see here. What should be the ideal PPTX slide size to run the content in full screen in tablet with 10-inch screen? Slide size varies with the screen of tablet.
Okay, thank you for your question. So, if you'd like to really adjust your slide size with your tablet, so if you design the content to be run on a certain model or on a certain tablet, so the only solution I can offer is that you adjust it manually. Like you should measure the size of your window. Also, let me convert my sample slide here so I make this more understandable when what we're talking about. So you should measure the width of your tablet computer size, and adjust this in the advanced option of iSprint Suite. So only this way it will perfectly match your device. So let's preview here. Here, of course, we have some. So here you can measure this size of your browser width and height, and then go to Publish, Advanced. You can set size here, set scale. Of course, you can also change the design of your file here in File Size, Standard or Widescreen, and also Custom Slide Size. So, of course, these adjustments take quite a long time. Of course, because we usually do not recommend adjusting it to a particular size, because if you are uploading content which is designated to broad audience. You never know who is using which device, and on some devices it may look right, but on other tablet models it may look not so nice. So if you already know like that this content should be played on this particular model of iPad or other Android device, like the best way to adjust is to like measure it and adjust the size of your content here. So this is what I recommend that you do. So we have not any like automated solution since we don't know the output, the size of your device where you're going to run it. I hope I answered your question. Hope it's clear.
Yes, but we also should mention that the design is still responsive, so
Oh,
I think
sure,
that,
sure.
yeah.
All right.
Okay, and also questions from Alex. He's interested in how many interaction models for version 8 we have now. Um,
Okay, as for interactions, so maybe I disappoint you, maybe not. So the interactions are the same. The four interactions that we have: a 3D book, a timeline, a directory, and FAQ. So major improvements were not been set up here since we were like mostly developing. Of course, we were improving these interactions as well. I do not want to mislead you and let you know if we're going to add more interactions in newer versions. So it's up to our product management to decide. But as for now, the interactions are the same, and you can use them as you did in version 7. And plus, you can add more, like use the simulation tool and screen recording. But as for interactions, we have 4 built-in interactions as before.
yeah, but I think that our Talkmaster is a great
Right.
tool.
It's a really great. There's a lot of potential, I guess. Maybe it will like become like the new favorite tool for customers. We still receive a lot of positive feedback and experience from our customers who really enjoy it.
Yeah, that's right. And actually, Alex also asked us which feature of version 8 is unique to Articulate.
Well, I think like what is unique. Like again, as usually, we provide the best PowerPoint to HTML5 conversion standards. So once you convert content with iSpring, it will run on most all devices, all platforms. So of course, I think that our simulation tool stands out. Yes, we do not see quite a lot of similar tools from other vendors, and I think this is going to make iSpring really remarkable. Our new editor and a new video lecture player. I think I would mention these two, like this simulation tool and this new video lecture player, which can help iSpring to stand out and be really unique, and hope will make iSpring even more outstanding in this version.
Olga, are
Yeah.
you there?
Yes. I'm sorry.
Okay,
You
that's
lost
great.
me. Sorry.
Yes,
I'm
for a second.
sorry. Sorry.
Okay, Alex said thank you. That's
Well,
great.
thank you again, Alex.
Um,
I have a lot of feedback. I do appreciate that.
any other questions? We have 6 minutes actually, so please don't hesitate to ask any questions.
Well, sure. Like, yes, if no more questions left for now, maybe sure we can talk more
Oh,
about like on
yes.
a special offers that we have or any like licensing in our maintenance plan. I believe many customers will be interested what support we offer, our contact details. Let me again open our page here. Our contact details. Here's our direct sales number for any questions you have on licensing, on maintenance, on purchase, And also here is our support email and phone number, our working hours, and also we have live chat available on our website. So if you have any questions, you can just reach us when we are online and ask us anything on iSpring, and we'll be happy to assist you and answer all your questions.
By the way, we have a message from Maria. She said that for our attention, the reason they actually consider iSpring is because our admin tool is a lot more smooth than Articulates. So thank you, Maria,
Well,
for
thank
your
you.
feedback.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to hear that. So it's really do appreciate like when your kind words are really like mean a lot to us. So we know that we are not we are doing our job right. So like we are the best. Your feedback is what matters best for us. So we know that like yes, we're doing
Yeah,
our
that's
job
right.
right, and we can improve. And you're here and you appreciate what we do.
Um, yeah, and Alex also added that more smooth interface is much more friendly.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Yes, we added this like new flat design. So yeah, it's right, more modern, more appealing, we hope, like yes. So yeah, everything changes so fast these days, so we have to catch up with all trends and adjust our compatibility and design anything.
Yeah, however, we also have a question. What would be the solution to convert Flash to HTML5? I think that we are not going to actually develop this
Right.
kind of tool.
All right.
Yeah,
So
I'm sorry
yes,
about that.
yes, we use PowerPoint as our core element. So we are working on PowerPoint to HTML5, Flash, MP4 conversion. As for converting Flash to HTML5, this kind of different tools. So there are, of course, some tools that allow you to do that, but here at iSpring, we are mostly focused on these PowerPoint to HTML5 Flash conversion, and also standalone tools like this Quizmaker and simulation tool.
Okay then, so we have time to one or two questions. Please send your questions.
Right. Yes, don't be shy.
Okay, I think that.
Okay,
Thank you,
so
Alex. Thank you. Wonderful presentation today. Alex said, thank you.
well, thank you so much, Alex. You've been really active, so we do appreciate that. So, you've been great.
Okay. Um, so please continue developing the admin tool and not only add new fab functionality, Maria said. Thank you. Okay, yes, we send your feedback to our developers.
Okay, sure. Okay, so I believe if no
Mhm.
more questions left, we can wrap it up. So, Valerie, did you send our links to
Yes,
our Rich
yes,
Ice social
yes. I
network?
would like to. Yeah, I would like to also mention that next week we are going to send you a recording of this webinar. You will be able to replay the recording and share it with your colleagues. If your colleagues are planning to try iSpring, we will be glad to generate a license for your company. Please let me know how many people are going to try the product, and we will send the license to your email address. You can actually send this as a message to our chat. And I would like to thank you all for your time today. I hope iSpring tools will help you to achieve your goals. And let's keep in touch. Join the iSpring community on social networks and stay in the loop. I'm going to send
Sure.
you the links.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone, for taking the time to join the webinar. And we hope we cooperate with you and we hear back from you. And hope you like the new iSprint Suite tool and you can use it to the fullest extent and create wonderful, outstanding content. Okay, so again, thank you so much. And if any questions arise, please don't hesitate to contact. Thank you and have a great day. Thanks, everyone. Thank
Goodbye.
you. Goodbye.